Hi Kinders, Miss Schmidt here. We are going to start learning about bugs, which are super fun. And one thing I want to explain to you before we even start learning about them are bugs are a lot of things, kind of like the big word to use for creepy, crawly creatures. So like spiders and caterpillars and ants and centipedes, all those things. And then part of bugs, there are like arachnids, like spiders, and then there's also insects. So not every bug is an insect. It's kind of like the big general word for all these little creatures. So this book is called First Facts Bugs. We're going to learn a lot about them. Okay, so how many legs? Bugs come in all shapes and sizes. Sorry, I'm trying to get this to fit. Okay. Bugs come in all shapes and sizes, but you can often tell which kind it is by counting the legs. Count quickly, some bugs are fast. 6. If it has 6 legs, then say hello to an insect. So now we'll remember, insects have 6 legs. All insects have 6 legs. If it has no legs, if you come across a creature with no legs, then you are probably looking at a worm or a slug. 8. Can you count 8 legs? Let's count this animal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I counted wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, that means it's something. I was counting the antenna at the end. Can you count 8 legs? If so, you are looking at a spider or a scorpion. They always have 8 legs. Many centipedes have lots of legs. They have 1 pair on each small body segment. Ooh, too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Too many legs to count? That's a millipede. Some have 750 legs. Bug babies. All creepy crawlies lay eggs. Some babies are just mini versions of the adults, but the babies of butterflies, ants, bees, wasps, beetles, and flies look very different than their parents. So here it says different. Maggots are fly babies. Here's what maggots look like. They look different than flies. Maggots don't have any legs or wings. So there's a close look. Mini-me. Earwing babies are mini versions of their parents. As they grow, they have to shed their skin. And then here's one we'll learn about when we're back at school, because I will get some caterpillars for both classrooms, and we're going to watch them go through metamorphosis. So the complete change. Caterpillars are amazing bugs. They build themselves a pupa and magically turn themselves into butterflies. So it starts as a butterfly lays an egg. The egg hatches into a caterpillar. The caterpillar turns into a pupa. Inside the pupa, an extraordinary change takes place. And then the pupa splits open, and out climbs a beautiful butterfly. So we'll learn more about that too, and we'll get to watch it happen. Beetles. Beetles are insects. Insects have all 6 legs, 2 pairs of wings, and 3 body parts. So that's how you can tell it's an insect. There are lots of different beetles. Some are spotted, some have stripes, and some even have horns. Look at all these different kinds of beetles. Lots of beetles. There are lots of beetles in the world. In fact, almost half the insects in the world are beetles. Glowing. Oh, I love this kind of bug, insect. Fireflies are a kind of beetle that can glow in the dark. They talk to each other at night by flashing their bodies. Sometimes you can go out at night, especially out in the woods or at a cabin, you get to see glowing fireflies. Close up. All insects have 6 legs, 2 pairs of wings, 3 body parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. Ant armies. There are many different types of ant. They all live in groups where they work together to find food and take care of their young. Here are driver ants up here. When driver ants are on the hunt, up to 20 million travel in a long line. 20 million ants? They kill and eat any small animal that gets in their way. So here they are. Honeypot ants. Aren't those cute? Look closely at those. Honeypot ants live in the desert. A few ants act as a food store. They store nectar in their tummy for the other ants to eat. So look at, they're saving all the food. Amazing. Weaver ants. These ants build nests by weaving leaves together. They use their babies, which make a special kind of silk, to sew the leaves together. So here they are sewing the leaves. Right here, they're sewing the leaves together. And then look at all these ants at the bottom carrying leaves. Those are called leaf cutter ants. Kind of cute. Nature's little helpers. Creepy crawlies may be small, but they are very important to our planet. Here are some jobs that they do that we couldn't do ourselves. Pest control. Aphids eat the plants that we like to eat. So we put ladybugs on the plants to help eat the aphids. So here are, let me see if I can get the book right. Here are aphids. They're these little insects, bugs, that eat all the plants we like, or many of the plants that we like. But then ladybugs eat aphids, so that helps us out. Here, let's recycle. If these bugs didn't eat rotten leaves, dead animals, and poop, our world would be a very, very messy place. Earthworms bury into the soil, making it healthy for plants. Millipedes eat leaves and turn them into soil again. Baby flies called maggots eat dead animals. Dung beetles remove lots of poop by eating it. I'm going to read one more page and then I'm going to record the rest of the book in another video because it gets kind of long. So we'll read this page and then look for the second video later this week, okay? Buzzing bees. What do you know about bees? They buzz a lot and they sting, but they are actually smart and very busy. City of bees. Honeybees live in big groups with one queen, lots of babies, and hundreds of workers. Here is, can you spy the queen bee? She's the bigger one. There she is, the queen bee. Honey. Bees collect nectar from flowers and turn it into honey. They feed the honey to their babies. We like to eat it too. Ouch. A bee stings if it's upset or being attacked. A sting hurts. Bee dance. When a honeybee finds flowers, it does a dance to show other bees where to find it. That's pretty cute. Okay, so I'm going to stop there and then I'll make another video with the rest of this book. So we're going to learn about spiders and flies, how they eat, I'm hungry, how they camouflage, small but deadly, and then the record holders. So we'll watch those in another video. So I hope you learned a little bit about bugs and it'll be fun to learn more. So thanks so much and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.